Hi! In front of me is Tecno Camon 18 and today I would like to show you how you can use voice recorder on this device. Begin by opening Sound Recorder app. Now select Allow in the pop-ups and click on this red button to start recording. You can pause it or unpause it using the same one. In order to add a bookmark, click on this left icon, and in order to end it and save it, on the right one. Now you can delete your recording right away by hitting delete and confirming your choice in this pop-up, or save it by naming it above and choosing save instead. To access the list of all your recordings, click on this button with 3 lines. To play one of them, click on it. In order to delete it though, you need to go back, hold it, select delete at the bottom and confirm your choice in this pop-up. You can also go back, click on this gear icon at the top right corner and select File Type. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!